Let's reclaim the country and give it back to the people. Allahu Akbar.
Magkaisa tayong lahat. It's time to move. Move with positivity and optimism. Let go of yourselves. Give your all for the country. Lahat ng gagawin natin, hindi para sa atin, kundi para sa bayan natin. Let's make this happen. 2 taon, 2028 na. Kaya natin to. The surveys are telling. So we just have to push harder. Push harder. Huwag kayong titigil. And always remember, pagka you are facing adversity, hindi kayo nag-iisa. Ako si Mayor Sebastian Duterte ng Davao City, kasama nyo. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay kayo.
Allahu Akbar. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Mabuhay si Vice President Inday Sara Duterte.
Maraming salamat and God bless you all.
Alright.